Today is January 26th. Happy Independence. But he is asking a few questions enthusiastically that freedom was gained from the slavery of the British. Laws were also implemented. But can someone tell me whether the laws they are celebrating the implementation of are safe? Are the people getting those rights? Is this a free India in which houses are being robbed with bulldozers? Is this the same India whose freedom is being celebrated enthusiastically, where the constitution of this country itself is not safe? Unemployment is on the rise. Every official, politician, is nothing but false promises. In the name of GST, the people of the entire country are being thrown into a sea of poverty. A particular community is being targeted, and its wrong image is being presented on every front. That India where news channels are only fueling the market of lies and hatred. There is no effort to end unemployment and poverty, where even the decisions in the courts are now based on the religion. And every powerful person is oppressing the weak. Every rich person is making fun of the poor. That India where indecency, obscenity, and nudity are being made public, leaving aside its culture and civilization. Committing crimes in public has become a trend. The rich have been given a special leave by the powerful, and there is no one to console the suffering of the poor. My beloved India was not like this. When will this hatred end? When will this environment of corruption and injustice end? When will we get freedom from